Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming Gold Vision is active and selected. This makes hidden player paths visible in real time. Once done, adjust sensitivity between 0, 5 and 0, 8 so motion trails are smooth without jitter. You should immediately enter practice mode and run a basic off-ball drill, observing the colored cues for cut timing and passing lanes. By starting with these concrete settings and a focused drill, you set a reliable baseline for the deeper execution steps that follow. Now you apply Gold Vision while the pace picks up. Watch color-coded lanes to decide whether to cut, screen, or fade. You should act when a green lane appears. Initiate your cut about 1/2 to 1 second after the ball handler changes direction to avoid congestion. Make micro adjustments with the left stick to stay within the lane and keep your shoulder free for a pass. By combining timing, visual lane priority, and small positioning tweaks, you convert visual data into high percentage opportunities consistently. To finish possessions, lock onto the predicted pass trajectory and move to the sweet spot 1 to 2 seconds before the catch. This makes finishes and quick passes far easier. If Gold Vision stutters or over highlights, reduce sensitivity in 0, 1 steps and rerun the drill to isolate settings. And if things still go wrong, record a short clip and study the misreads frame by frame so you can adjust timing or spacing. That single troubleshooting habit accelerates improvement dramatically.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.